Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enable cheats in Minecraft World. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open single player, and when creating a new world, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on create new world, and on the more world options, you want to simply go ahead and make sure allow cheats is on and click on create new world. Now you can simply go ahead and use multiple different cheats, like for example, / game mode creative. And now I am in creative mode. As you can see, just like that. I can also do game mode spectator. And now I am a spectator. I can just fly around stuff, and that's about it. I can also do / game mode survival, and I'm gonna fall all the way down. Thank God there was water here. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.